Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video. I just want to take a second and thank all my subscribers and thank everybody that's given me the thumbs up, subscribed, and liked any of my content. You guys are really helping me grow this channel, and I love you all. Like I said before, without subscribers, YouTube means nothing. So keep those thumbs up coming in, keep those likes coming in, and subscribers, keep on subscribing to the channel if you want this content to keep on coming. Today I'm going to go over a watch that I purchased that I just got in yesterday. It's a beautiful watch. I'm going to post a link to it in the description below. It is a Richard Mille, and you know I love my Olev's watches, and you know I love my Richard Mille watches, Richard Mille design watches. This is a Richard Mille watch that I really like. It's a rose gold and black. And guys, it's a really nice watch. I mean, take a look at this thing. It's stunning. It's stunning. I love the Richard Mille designs, how he incorporates all of the mechanics into the watch. This is made by a company called Mini Focus. Mini Focus, I've purchased quite a few watches from Mini Focus, and I actually have another one coming in tomorrow, which is actually this exact same watch, except the rose gold is silver. So it's a silver and blue as opposed to a rose gold and blue, and I will be doing a review on that as well. But Mini Focus is a really good quality watch. I have a few of them here, and guys, they're good watches. So this one is another Mini Focus, but it is the Richard Mille, one of the Richard Mille designs, and I think they did a really great job with it. They've got the red crown on it. It's got the working subdials. It's just a beautiful watch. I love the mechanics involved in these, and how how they make it look like, it's got that kind of steampunk look to it. Um, it's got like an inside of an engine. I really like it. It's a nice watch. And you guys, when you put one of these Richard Mille homage watches on, you get compliments like right away, because people are like, "Wow, that's a nice watch." Like this one right here. This was my first Richard Mille homage. Got tons of compliments on this thing. It's like, wow, people they're like, they see one and they're like, "Wow, that's a nice watch." So it just begs for compliments whenever you're wearing one of these things. This watch, I would definitely recommend it. I think the price tag on this thing is somewhere in the neighborhood of $35, maybe 38, but definitely less than $40. I will post a link to it in the description below. So if you guys want to pick one of these up, you can. It's got the silicone strap, which is very nice quality. It's even got the logo pressed on the buckle. It's a nice watch. It really is a good watch. And the best part about this watch is it's very comfortable. When you put it on your wrist, it's ergonomically designed and it feels great on your wrist. So, you guys want to pick one of these guys up, definitely head on over to Amazon. It's an affiliate link. It sends a couple of dollars my way. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does give me a couple of dollars out of the sale. So if you're looking to pick one of these guys up, head on over and click on that link and head on over and pick one of these guys up for less than 40 bucks. But good quality watch. Everything works on it. Nice solid metal construction. Stainless steel back, water resistant, silicone strap with the vents on the side, which make it look bad. I just really think it's a really nice looking watch. So if you're looking for a badass watch, definitely head on over and pick one of these guys up. You will more than likely get compliments the very first time you take this thing out. So like I said before, I'm Dave the Watchman, and I review budget-friendly sports and luxury watches for the everyman. I don't believe you should have to spend a fortune to look like you do have a fortune. And these Richard Mille watches are a perfect example of that, because you're not going to spend $500,000 for one of these things. And there are some Richard Mille homage watches out there that want you to spend, $500 to $800. These are well below that price point, and you can get some really nice Richard Mille homage watches from Mini Focus on Amazon, and less than 40 bucks. Less than $40. You can't beat that. Both of these are from Mini Focus. beautiful watches, just amazing quality, good watches, just really, really nice watches. So if you're looking for a good watch and you want to, if you're looking for a good watch and you don't want to break the bank, definitely head on over to my channel. Take a look at some of my reviews before you go to SHEIN, before you go to Amazon, before you start looking for budget-friendly watches. Definitely check out my channel because I keep buying watches, I keep reviewing them. And like I said before in my other videos, I'm not a jeweler. I'm just a guy that likes his watches. I like to buy them, I like to wear them, and I like to review them. So, with that said, I will be reviewing some more watches in the near future, and I just wanted to say thank you very much to my subscribers. And if you like this content, give me that thumbs up, like, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. So, that being said, you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next watch review video. Dave the Watchman, I am out of here.